To preach, yes, yes. I preached many times in Japan. There's going to be many of these prayer rooms. It's like you're going to be father and mother, and many young people will say, I want to go to this city to plant a prayer room, a house of prayer, and I'm going to want to go to this city. I also see that, I know you pray for Israel, but I see that you're going to take many prayer journeys to Israel.
Israel ministry.
Yeah, I saw the picture. But I see, do you go to Israel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
2, 1.
Yeah, but I see many times. You will go many times. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And I see that God is going to give you a financial blessing because you need it to pay for these things. And I see that God is going to bring people to you that really have money, to help you. Yeah. Yeah. Amen. Yeah. So.
이 집 시작할 때 신디제이콥이 저한테 예언을 보내주셨습니다.
This house started your prophetic sent him.
메신저.
Message from you.
Really?
Amazing miracle. I send Hejakim.
Yes.
Hejakim.
Yes.
We send the
Also pray.
message. Yeah.
Oh, you're making me so happy. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, yeah,
I
thank
love
you.
seeing
Yeah, we love you too. We are so proud of you. We are so proud of all you're doing. Thank you for building the house of prayer.
And it's a reconciliation of Korea and Japan.
I know. That's a miracle.
Korea and Japan.
Yeah, that's a big miracle.
When we were in Korea, Hezekiah teach me many prayer.
Yes, she did.
He
Oh,
practiced Hejakim to practice.
she did.
Yeah.
Oh, she did. We love her. We're best friends. Pastor Kim and Mike and I were best friends. So you made me so happy. Please write her and tell her we saw you. Oh, so good. Yeah, do you want to pray for her? I was going to give her a hug, but you can.
Well, before you do that,
Okay.
I am sensing that God has some surprises for you in the coming days. And you have been faithful in the things and the assignments that He has given you so far. But I see two kinds of surprises. One is the surprise of how effective what you're doing now is going to be. You're going to see great fruit come from what. Because you have been faithful, God is getting ready to open your eyes to even a new assignment or new assignments, because you're people who have the ability to do what we call multitask. You can do this, but you could also be doing that. So don't be surprised, except you're going to be surprised at the fruitfulness of what you're doing, but the new things that God is going to open up. Doors will open for you, and you will see great fruitfulness come from the new assignments in addition to the fruitfulness of the former.
Yes. Wow.
Now you can hug it.
In 92, the Lord showed me that Japan, if you look at Japan one way, it looks like the dragon. With Hokkaido being the head of the dragon. And I remember telling Ariga Sensei this. Yes. But if you turn it over, the map, it looks like the sword of the Lord. And Hokkaido is the handle that is the warrior. You remember that prophecy?
The guides the blade.
Yeah.
The handle
So
guides the
Hokkaido
blade.
is very important where you have planted your
Thank you.
house of prayer.
We every day worship, every day new song, every day new song.
Are you recording the songs? Do you keep them?
Yeah, new season. We are more
Yeah. Yeah, wow.
Okay.
Oh, we're proud of you.
Thank you so much.
Bless you.